welcome back to another day with us. This is Day at the Beach. Please hit the like and follow button and support us on another journey.
Just a normal day at the beach. Ooh, there's a statue.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the statue. Did somebody bring a bag? Ja, dat is net jou.
We're walking to the deserted ghost island.
Gaan nou, hè?
Oké.
Kijk, we beginnen.
Doe het even. Ooh, baby, do you know what this was? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. Say love comes. Local boys looking for foraines.
Je moet een video, hè?
Ja.
This is my cousin's shop.
Lives here.
My second, third uncle's cousin has this shop over here. One of the biggest Thai bars in Thailand. That big one there. The one with the Coke stand next to it. He used to have a double story one. But you know, with COVID took away everything.
Yeah, it broke down,
But this is his house. That's his bar.
So together it's like a house bar,
House
but
bar.
separate. Yeah. Die bought a sheet of land, yeah.
This is the other piece of his bar.
Yeah, it's not that great like the first one we showed you, but it's still fine.
There's a
You see the view here is a bit shittier than the view there.
It's alright. I did this graffiti here when I was 6 years old in Thailand.
The water never goes up.
Quiet. Hello. Ooh, baby, do you?
Straight line for it, left right.
40. My slippers! Slippers denk ik, ja, hè.
Kijk hoe mooi is
Slippers
hè.
looking nice.
Hier is die huis wat ons moet nog kyk. Hier is daai so cheap is.
So let's get this house, it's like 40,000 baht a month, not that bad. Moving
Bargain.
there, yeah. Which one you guys taking? We'll take, me and Damon will take that one. It's a bit small for us, but doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
At least it's a lighthouse
Yeah.
for us.
Maybe you can take penthouse up there.
Penthouse.
Probably 60K. No, it's not bad, bro.
More money, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Here in Thailand, everything's cheap.
Yeah, bro.
You can buy a piece of steak for 3.50, but here it's like 150 baht. Nothing compared to South Africa.
Nice, bro. Luckily we got a constant income.
Luckily, we have now
Natural.
Oh, you'll take one.
You see these balls? These crabs make these balls sound like ants, bro.
You see these tracks? There's a horse tracks.
Horse track on the teeth.
Southern East Asia,
This is what they
England
call
horse
the, yeah,
tracks.
this is what they call the straight snake.
This is a straight snake.
It only goes like little legs on the bottom, bro, but you can't see it, bro.
That's
like
all the
rolling
holes.
legs.
All the holes are from straight snake.
Yes, bro. And they come in, they make like one big snake, and they just go straight, bro.
Straight.
Straight,
There's
bro.
four of them in this area. You're going to go look for the straight snake. Heading to the haunted islands. This guy's still taking a video of YouTubers. Nothing like a YouTuber. gevaarlijker hoe beter. Weet je?
Nee, kos gaan nie ophou. Nee, jy gaan hierdie kant op, hè?
Ons gaan 'n feest hê vanaand, julle.
Hier, Tom. Neem nog 'n foto van.
Wow.
Show us! Woo! This guy is taking part in the Ninja Warrior 3.0.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai champion. Ja, ek kan voor op.
Ek watch. Yo. Yo.
Kom.
Wow.
Kom maar. Wow. Spray op dieren, hè. Dis niks te doen, hè. Dis so, hè. Dit is makliker, hè. Wat. Spring, grip, voete. Ja, kort spoed, hè. Stop.
Jy sien ek op staan daar.
Wat doen jy nou? Wat doen jy nou?
Wag! Ek het hom skyn gou.
Kan jy dit doen, ja?
Hy mag nie maklik lyk.
Kom maar, jy moet goed doen, hè.
Wow.
Ja, dis cool, hè. Sorry. Sorry, kom. Oké. Raak dit dit gemou nie.
Jy sê hoe wat. Dit gaan nie werk.
Give me a hand, I got you, bro.
Oh, you heavy. Pull me, pull me.
Oh, I'm slipping.
You're moving. Just pull. Ah, leave it then.
Hy was al
Hierso. Denk je dat beter wel? Arts op. Je net een push-up doen. Ja, stijg op borst van je. Zo weet het niet als je opgaat, kijk hier. Come up here, man.
It's class, bro.
No, I don't need help.
Oh, I thought
Okay,
you don't need
need
help. Okay.
Oh, there's a monkey, huh?
Hold me.
What are you guys doing back there?
Boom!
Pushing your butt against me.
Oh.
What?
I'm up. I made it. Come.
Help me.
Oh.
Look at this. Do it like that guy's doing it.
Monkey.
See?
Oh.
Monkey, dude. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Look, he's gonna catch the monkey.
Oh, you caught it.
Almost. How are we gonna get off here?
Just follow me. I know this place. I've done this before. Just step.
Wow. Let me follow you.
Calm down. You see that rock? You see that one? Me too. But don't jump there. Doop. Come down, brother.
Wait, what's that?
Wait, what?
He knows
What's
there's a
that?
camera. Oh, he knows there's
No,
a
what's
camera.
that? There's something there.
Oh.
Brother,
Brother,
It's water. Look, he's doing it.
He's coming down.
He's doing it. Come. One last step.
catch me.
Break a leg.
Catch me. Okay, never mind. Hold on.
Oh.
Push. Oh.
Look at me. Look, I'm climbing again. So this is what you call blue beach monkey. You see? Never mind.
Welcome to Thailand, where all the monkeys are white. Deze is soms hier, jy trek dit dan, ek speel dit stilste.
Okay, kom.
Kan jy maar video? We are climbing around the island. Met die camera stil. Nee, nee. Hou maar stap hier.
Ja.
Neem weer kry. Ek gaan seer kry. Yo, Spider-Man. Kom op video man, saka, watch it.
Kom hier hè.
Kom neem. Ja, raak dit hè.
Ek vat die stapie hè.
Thanks hè.
Ek wil weer vaai toe net terug kan nie.
Ons ook push op dit.
So, jy klein.
We made it! Finally, bro. After a few miles of hiking in the middle of rocks and nowhere, we got a place to eat now. I think a cocktail will do me good now. See you guys a little bit later.
Ons gaan try.
Oh ja! Dit is wat ons doen daarmee, maar af. Niet te bad op. Oh.
Flex. Kun je hem optellen?
Ja, pas op.
Groot hè?